All right, good morning. Welcome to Blue Pepper. My name is Captain Taylor Melton, and we're going to be showing you a little bit around Blue Pepper, our Fontaine Pajot catamaran.
Say that we have it filed, that they're in the box, and we can take it out, and then you will scoop it.
All right, don't forget about the flybridge right this way. Okay, up here is where the magic happens when we're underway. I'm a big fan of doing night sails and sunset sails, and this is a beautiful place to witness the scenery as we cruise around the Virgin Islands. Large covered bimini for shade during the day, and great views all the time. And as you saw up front, we have a pretty large selection of toys. So we have some foiling boards that are still in the box that we're about to break out, new sea scooters, and we're always updating our toy selection. All right, and right this way.
Hello and welcome to Blue Pepper. Here we have our 10-pack boat. It has a total of 5 guest suites. All include a queen-size bed, your own bathroom, full bathroom with a stand-up shower. It'll have your own adjusted temperature for your bedroom so everybody can feel comfortable. And we have shades that will completely black out your room so that you can sleep in as late as you want or wake up with a beautiful view of our ocean. Over here, you'll have 2 different style of cabins. This way we have a mirror version of the back cabin you saw there. In the front you'll find that our forward cabins are a little bit bigger and have some more storage. Once again, we have another mirror of that larger cabin. And then here's our salon.
That's the main entrance.